In this short video, I will show you how to connect lines to objects in DaVinci Resolve. To start, add a Fusion composition in the timeline. Right-click and choose Open in Fusion page. Add a background node and connect to the media out. Change the default color from black to white. Now let's create the circles by adding an ellipse mask, a background, and a transform node. Connect them to the main background to generate a merge node. Select the ellipse and reduce the circle size. On a center XY, right-click and choose Modify with Perturb. This will animate the circle with random movements. In the Modifiers tab, reduce the X scale and strength. Duplicate all 4 nodes by copying and pasting them. Now select the transform of the second circle. In the modifiers, decrease the Y scale and slightly increase the strength. To create the line, add a polygon mask and a background node. Connect them to the main background to generate a merge node. In the polygon mask, add 2 points. Increase the border width to make it visible. Select both points by clicking the icon at the top. Now right-click on the line. Choose Polyline, Publish Points. Enable the pin at the top of the polygon. Select the first circle's transform. On point 0 of the polygon, right-click on the diamond and choose Expression. Drag the plus symbol onto the center XY of the transform. Repeat the same process from the second transform. On point 1 of the polygon, right-click and choose Expression. Drag the plus symbol onto the center Y of the transform. In this way, the line will dynamically follow the movement of the circles. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to dive deeper into the style of other creators.